I believe in a master bedroom and bathroom that feels like an oasis for the homeowners. Everything about this master suite says relaxed, rich, and inviting. When it comes to designing the master bedroom, the challenge is to make it appealing to both sexes. While I do have a lot of soft accents and decor, I still have a neutral color palette and some masculine elements that makes it appeal to both the man of the house, but most importantly, the woman of the house. That's me getting in the good books.
I knew that I wanted to have a master wing on this side of the house because with all the bedrooms on the other side of the house, you'd have complete privacy. And I decided to keep in line with the mid-century modern feel of the home by using clean line furnishings and also going with a more modern muted color palette, something that was soothing and just created a fresh, inviting vibe.
You can't help but feel like a king or a queen in this space. There's plenty of room for two to share, and the walk-in closet even boasts a window. As far as challenges go, everything was a challenge in this place. I had an electrical panel that was on one of the walls I had to demo, so I managed to find a new location just a few feet away and a very clever way to hide it.
I love the simplicity of this master bathroom. It's just fresh and crisp and clean, and the palette is very zen. The retro tile definitely ties back to the design aesthetic for the rest of the home. It was time-consuming, but so worth it.